What is up, guys? So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own ID.me account. If you're wondering what ID.me is, it's actually a digital wallet ID that actually authenticates you or allows you to sign up or sign into government websites, or it helps you kind of easily sign into and verify your identity when filing your taxes or anything like that. Now, to get started, all you have to do is go to ID.me, or alternatively, you could actually go directly to the agency websites like va.gov or the IRS website. And from there, you have an option to create an ID.me account. But for here, we're going to go directly to ID.me. So that's ID.me, and then sign in from here. So just click on sign in right here. Now, we're not actually signing in, we're creating an account. So just click on create an ID.me account. Now, please note that you are not allowed multiple ID.me accounts. You're only allowed one. So over here, just put in your email address, your personal email address, then put in a password and confirm it. But take note that your password must be secure. It must not contain any common information like your name or your date of birth. It must be something unique, has special characters in it, and is alphanumeric. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what to do after that. Alright, so once you've created your account and filled in your information, the next thing you have to do is confirm your account on your email. So you're going to be sent an email, and just click on the link there and confirm your ID.me account. Or you could also just get the 6-digit code and paste it here if say you're not logged into a computer that has your email account. So once you're signed up and verified your email address, next thing you have to do is set up a multi-factor authentication. So this just means that whenever you're signing up or verifying your identity using ID.me, you have two-factor authentication to make sure that your information is secure. So we're just going to use a code generator for now because that is the most convenient. All right, I'm just going to select the scan QR code option. Okay, so for this one, I used Google Authenticator because that's easy and convenient for me. But you can use any authentication application that you have. It could be Microsoft Authenticator or any other ones out there. So we're just going to put the code in. There you have it. So once you've set up your two-factor authentication, you can choose to add another layer of authentication, or you can just continue with this. There you have it. So once you're signed up, you will be taken to your ID.me account, and you can actually start filling out your profile. You can add in your IDs, add in your logins, and set up your email preferences. You can change your sign-in security options, your wallet, and you can even start connecting this ID.me account to different government agency websites so that when you log in, you can just use your ID.me account. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you on the next one.